Hey guys, it's Allison and I'm popping in real quick to share some excitement with you. I just went down to my mailbox in the States, picked up my latest Simon Says Stamp card kit. I did not purchase the January card kit. I felt that the sentiments and papers and whatnot were not something that I could really make good use of. So I've started to do that now. I'm a little more judicious, I suppose, with my purchases. But I liked the stamp set and whatnot in this one, so I bought that. And I purchased something that I'm really excited about. So I'm going to pull all this out. Get the box out of the way. I'll show you this first. So I don't know if you've heard of the Ink Road stamp company, but I recently heard about them through my friend Alice Bull from scraphappy.org. And there's a particular stamp set that she had been using that I was like, oh, I need that stamp set. I have so many layouts that I can make with it. And I know that we have a trip in the future where I can use it. So let me show it to you. It was on back order. Oh, apparently there's a little surprise. I'll open that in a minute. Here it is. Yes, it is a Harry Potter stamp set. And it's got kind of, it's a little bit snarky. I'll show you my other one if I can find it. This one is from Kelly Perky. It's a few years old and I'm not even sure she is making it anymore. But how many years ago now? I guess 2 summers ago when we went to Britain, my 2 eldest daughters and I went to the Harry Potter studios and did their tour, and I have like 2 full albums full of layouts, and I'm not even finished scrapbooking that studio tour. And we are going to California for spring break, and we're going to go to Universal Studios, and I basically plan to spend the entire day in Harry Potter World. I've already told my husband that. I'm like, yeah, you can do all the other rides. I'm just going to stay there. I'm going to stay at Hogwarts and drink butterbeer, and it's all going to be good. So this is the stamp that I had originally, and I love it, and I've used it. As you can see, it is well used. But I wanted this one because it's got like super funny things on it. I solemnly swear I'm up to no good. So good. Don't let the muggles get you down. Like, how fun. Mischief managed. Like, oh, so many layouts I could use that on. After all this time, always. That would be really good for like an anniversary card, a Valentine's Day card. Like, so awesome. So awesome. Okay. So I'm super, super excited about this one. I'm so glad it came in. Aw, look. Little goodies. And let's see what's in here. This is a surprise. It says, you are courageous, creative. You know that done is better than perfect. You see lovely details in the everyday. Your very soul glitters. Baby, you are ready to get your stamp on. Aw. Cool beans. Okay. It feels very shaky. I don't want to. It's got some sequins in there. And, oh, it's an ink pad, an ink cube. Premium pigment ink pad. I'm not sure what color that is. I'm going to get sequins everywhere. And it's got loads of little silver sequins in there. So that is just so sweet and unexpected. So thanks, Laura. Oh, it's a blue, like a midnight blue. Oh, so fun. Okay. New favorite stamp company. On to my other favorite stamp company. Simon Says Stamp. Let's see what's in the February kit. Always a sucker. I'm not a sucker. At least I don't think so. Okay, so we've got some twine or floss. I do actually have the So Easy tool. I don't really use it very often or ever, but that's fun. Some of their metallic envelopes, like a white, a silver, and a pink. And some beautiful Valentine's Day papers. Yes, they are double-sided. So I've got this one. And I liked these papers in this kit because I could see it being used for more than just Valentine's Day. Ooh, nice brick pattern. Very neutral. Like, yes, it's all sort of pink and red and stuff. And there's hearts. But I think there's enough that is non-themed, that you could get away with making all sorts of cards out of this. Birthday cards, spring, Easter cards. Let's see if I can read the words. I'm not sure what song that is, but... And I'm not sure who makes these papers, but I'll take a look at the sheet and see. It's a cut apart. So a lot of these are not really my style. I will be totally honest. But I'm sure I could find some way to use them. Okay, so those are the papers. And then you have a background stamp. Now that one matches one of these papers, see? I think this is the second or maybe third kit that they've done that with, and I think it's really fun. Some black note cards. Give a little different. And then here's the stamp set. So there's lots of love messages, but I really liked the florals. And then I think some of these will work for just kind of everything. Like, you will always be in my heart, I can see using on like a sympathy card or something like that. Even after all this time, I still love you. That's kind of a take on the really famous "after all this time, always" quote from Harry Potter. So that's the stamp set. The inspiration sheet, let's just see. 8 double-sided sheets of Authentique romance. Yes. So Authentique is not a company that I normally will purchase from because their style tends to be quite shabby chic, distressed and vintage, and that's not really my style. I do more sort of clean things, but hey, it's worth a try every now and then. Okay, so we've got a white, pink, dark pink, and craft. Okay guys, so that is the February Simon Says Stamp card kit of the month. Oh, sorry, I didn't share the two things that weren't in the bag. 2 pots of, well, one is definitely embossing powder in clear. This one is called Unicorn Dust. And I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not an embossing powder. You can just sprinkle it over glue or adhesive. So that is going to be fun. Okay, and the twine. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll be looking for some layouts using my new Ink Road stamps because this is such an awesome set. And if you are looking for snarky stamps, kind of slightly different but totally appropriate, they have a great one from The Big Bang Theory. It's got a couch, it's got Bazinga. I'm saving up my money basically. They have lots of really awesome, really fun stamps, so be sure to check them out. inkroadstamps.com, I believe. But just search for the Ink Road stamps, and yeah. That's it for today. I will be back later with my Load 219 Day 6 layout for you. Okay, bye.